In this video, we're going to install Visual Studio Code, a Microsoft product, on the Macintosh. Visual Studio Code's really awesome IDE, that's Integrated Development Environment, and we're very happy to have you use it in this class. So I've searched on Visual Studio Code, and one of the links that I get is, in Google in this case, is download. And the choice is Linux and Mac and Windows. If you're on a Mac, of course, click on the Mac and allow it to download. It's a fairly short download. If you have a snappy internet connection, it's even shorter. Okay, give it a click. That's the downloads, and now you're going to start up Visual Studio Code itself. And you have to allow it to open. You only have to do that once. And there it is. There's Visual Studio Code. But wait, you're not done yet. Because what you have in your downloads folder is the actual program. We need to put it instead, copy it from the downloads folder into your applications folder. So open up a Finder window and go to your downloads, copy, and click on Applications and paste. You can then go back to the downloads folder and remove it from there if you want. And there's VS Code way down there at the bottom. Okay,